Once again, Ludhiana Women's Health Association ni Charity D. Mahinay. Ludhiana Puligay. Ni Zion Grace R. Sanwan. Miss Puligay is wearing the national costume inspired by our national flag, which is the flag of the Philippines. As we celebrate the 126th National Independence Day, the color blue represents peace, while the red color represents courage and dedication. The color white symbolizes purity and originality. The three stars symbolizes God, family, and community that help to create this unique and beautiful costume. The sun represents from the word itself Boroligan, which we translate this in English. The word that means helping each other, tarabangan, pagtutulungan. Designer, Purok Puligay members. Last move this way. Miss Puligay is on the way. Once again, Ludhiana Puligay, Miss Zion Grace Sanwan. Ludhiana Talisay. Ang kasuotang ito ay gawa sa saral ng niyog. Ang kababaihang tulad ni Gabriela sila ay tanda ng isang matapang at palaban na babae. Ang Pilipiniana dress na ito ay gawa sa saral ng niyog at nilagyan ng iba't ibang uri ng kulay upang mabigyang kulay ang kasuotang ito. Designer, Baby Jen Balantay Padon.